The real cost of replacing your ADT battery.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a common question many homeowners have. What is the average cost of replacing the ADT battery? Whether you've been using ADT security services for years or you're a new customer, this information will be valuable for maintaining the efficiency of your home security system.
Why is replacing the battery important?
The battery is a crucial component of your ADT system. When it's not working properly, the whole security system can be compromised. It's essential to ensure that your battery is in good health to guarantee uninterrupted protection for your home.
How often should you replace the battery?
For most ADT systems, the battery typically lasts 3 to 5 years, depending on usage. It's a good practice to check the battery's health every year. If your system indicates a low battery warning or if you notice any irregularities in system performance, it might be time for a replacement.
So, what's the cost?
The average cost for replacing an ADT battery can vary based on several factors, including the model of your system and where you purchased the battery. However, on average, you can expect to pay between $20 to $50 for a replacement battery. It's essential to ensure that the replacement battery is compatible with your ADT system to avoid any potential issues. There you have it. Replacing your ADT battery is a small cost to bear for the peace of mind and security it offers for your home. Remember to regularly check the health of your battery to ensure your system is always functioning at its best. We hope this video has been informative. Stay safe and secure.